Hey guys, it's Drea and today I'm here with a new video for you. Today's video is really exciting. If you can tell, I'm not wearing any jewelry. And that is because I'm going to be trying out some jewelry for you guys. I've never been, I have been a jewelry person, but I've never gone out of my way to buy jewelry that was on the more higher end side. And I wouldn't exactly call it super high end or anything because it's not like full gold, it's more like gold plated. So I've been eyeing this set of jewelry for a while now, and while meaning like a couple months, and I waited for the perfect time to buy it because I wanted a discount. Let me show you what brand it is. It came in this little packaging. I guess it doesn't show you the brand, but it's Daisy London. I wanted to film this video mostly because I haven't really seen a lot of Daisy London reviews or hauls, and if I have, it's maybe like one piece. So I think I got 4 different pieces this time, and I'm really excited. I've never bought them, but I saw the Estee x Daisy London collaboration, and I loved it. And I know I'm late to the party because I think this came out like sometime last year maybe. And yeah, I know I'm a little late to the party, but this is super exciting and I've been really excited to show you this. Also, if you guys haven't noticed, I have lights now. Thank you, Mom, for getting me lights for my birthday. So I'm really excited to open this up for you guys and show you. I really just kind of want to rate like the quality, but I really want to feel it to see if like it was worth the price, because most of these are like, again, like more higher end jewelry in a sense. Like I'm not paying just $20 for a necklace, you know, from like H&M, or sorry, not H&M, but like Urban Outfitters or anything like that. So this is definitely a little more higher end in that sense. So I'm hoping it's better quality. I understand also because this is a jeweler and they like craft their own jewelry, that of course the price point is going to be just a little higher anyway, because you know, designers need to get paid. I totally understand that 100%. I'm all for it. The money goes where it needs to go, and that's why the jewelry is so beautiful. So saying that, with that, let's just get started into the haul slash unboxing. Let's open this baby. You're gonna open it like, ay chucha. Dang girls, I did not do this right. I'm just gonna open it here. Alright, so I like totally messed up the box, but it's fine. We're not keeping the box. Alright, with you and with me, let's do this. Oh, actually, hello. That's so cute. Okay, I'm a sucker for packaging. Any type of good packaging makes me so excited. Even just like the detailing right here at the front where it says far apart but closer than ever. Sorry, I didn't read that originally. But yeah, it's super exciting. I think this is so cute. It says, oh, hello, in a really nice serif typeface. And then this says, staying in never looked so good. Staying in never looked so good. And there she is. So that's how it kind of looks. And that's the little thing that says, staying in never looked so good. This is really cute. It comes really packaged, so it's secure. It has good bubble wrap to play around with later. Let's see if it actually pops. Super satisfying. And then this one, this little box, oh, these couple little boxes over here also come wrapped, but they're in tissue paper. We've got our Daisy x Spring Summer 2020 Daisy jewelry. It looks like a little lookbook newspaper magazine thing, but it's really cute. It shows you like the different jewelry that they have going on. A New York City lookbook. That's amazing. So that's what was inside this box. Now let's open the little baby boxes. So I guess they come in a little box like this. And oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Okay, and then it comes with a little, oh, wait, why are there so many of these? Are there things in here? Okay, so they come with these little pouches. Inside this little package came the ring that I got. And I will take it out. So that's pretty cute. I don't know what this little black thing is for, but okay. Oh, that's so pretty. Look at that. That is so gorgeous. It feels nice. I'm not gonna lie. It feels really nice. If you guys want to know, I got, I think 15%, 10 or 15% off one of those for having a birthday. So if you guys wait for your birthday, you can get a discount, and that really, really does make a difference. I think I saved like $79 just by using my discount. Also, yes, it is 15% off for the birthday refund. I mean, birthday discount. This ring was 55 euro. Sorry, it's not euro. Why do I keep saying that? 55 pounds to US dollar. So this was $70. This is 18 karat plated gold, or 18 karat gold, but it's plated. I don't really know the terminology, but I should. So I got this one in a size 8 because I wanted it to fit this one. I also wanted it to fit my middle finger, and it also fits my thumb. So that way I have like just a range, but mostly I wanted to wear it there. And if you guys want to know, this one is called Estee Sunburst Shield Ring. So it's the Sunburst Shield Ring. This is the little second pouch. Oh, cute. Okay, so this one is the ear cuff, I'm pretty sure. There it is. So this cute little ear cuff with really pretty detailing. Let's just put her on. I'll be right back. I'm just gonna try it on. Okay, and this ear cuff is called the Thea ear cuff in 18 karat gold as well, Thea. And also this one was 29 pounds. So that makes it out to be, it's $36.91 for this little BB. And then the third one, yes. Okay, so this is a set. So I got these, and it's the Goddess hoop earrings gift set in 18 karat gold as well. So this is the set. So like I showed you, there's this one, and then there's that, and I think that's so pretty. So let me just put these on and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. It took a second because I put these nails on specifically because I knew I was going to be doing this video, and I just didn't want to have short stubby nails, but now I've realized I've forgotten how to use these, so I'm just trying my best with putting this jewelry on. But let me show you guys how cute these earrings look right now. Look at these little babies. You can actually see the detail now. But wow, they are so freaking pretty. So the set was 214 pounds. Is $272.49. Excuse you. I'm really liking it so far, and like I said, the quality is there so far. And you know, I'm gonna update my description if anything weird happens, like if something breaks or whatever, but I do think you have like a year warranty anyway. These babies came in here. So we're on to this little bag. I don't know what's in here because I don't know if I actually ordered more than this. But this is the first necklace I got. She is so pretty. You guys, I'm obsessed. This feels quality. I'm not gonna lie, this feels pretty quality. Look at that beautiful gold shade though. It's like not, it's so premium. This one is the Estee Goddess hexagonal necklace in 18 karat gold plate. And it was 99 pounds, which is $126.06. And it has Daisy London engraved on the back. So I'm gonna just quickly put this on. Can this fit my head? Nope. Okay, we're just gonna have to put this on. This chain feels so good. Something I was worried about originally was like, I feel like this chain is going to be really thin, but guys, it's really nice. Like, it's pretty, it just feels durable. The design is beautiful. The color gold is beautiful. Yeah, I don't know, it feels good. It's definitely worth the price in my opinion. But then again, I will update in my description box whether it lasts at all, because that's obviously something. We want these to last a lot longer than your H&M jewelry, than your Urban Outfitters jewelry. This better last me a really long time. From first impression, this feels good and it looks good. So yes, I don't know what this is because I don't think I bought it. But it says staying in never looked so good. But I will open this up and we will see. Oh. Now this smells good. It smells like it's some form of like soap or like Lush thing. Oh my god. That is so cute. You guys, they gave me a candle. How did they know I was in need of a new candle? Can you see that? It smells super fresh. So if you guys want to know, again, this was birthday present to myself for my 25th birthday, so I really felt like I deserved it. Plus I had my 15% off. So all in all, the ear cuff, the goddess hoop earrings gift set, so I got 2, meaning the smaller one and the larger one, the sunburst shield ring, and the hexagonal necklace, all turned out to be 397 pounds, which is $505.63, but with my discount, it turned out to be $430.48, which means I saved about $75, if not a little tiny bit more. So personally, I think this is a deal. I think that they should last long from the way it feels and the way it looks. It looks so good, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, go give them a look. I think they're like really, really cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I can't wait to continue shopping there more, honestly. That's, yeah, the next time I feel like I need something, like I deserve it, it's gonna be my go-to. I'm gonna come back with a ring and a necklace to stack this one with. But for now, I'm very happy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comment section which of these pieces, or which one in particular you like the best and which one you would get for yourself. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye!
I finally know the reason why, yeah. I'm never really satisfied, yeah.